Hey guys, today we're going to do a part 2 of Smushy Mushy Baby Besties. The packaging used to be brown and blue. This is pink and pink. Let's see this one. See this one that I got last time. If you haven't checked out the video, then make sure to check it out after you watch this. It's very, very squishy. So let's open it up now. We got this pink chain. Really cute. Let's open it. Oh yeah, first before we do it, there's a hamburger you can collect. This little sippy cup, pear, a carrot, and I think this is a frog poop. I don't know. Comment down below if you know what it is. Let's open it now. It looks exactly like this. Let's open it. We got a hamburger. I was wanting to get this one. And we also got a different chain, so that's good. Let's see the hamburger. I really wanted to get the hamburger. I got my favorite one. This is a hamburger with tomato, lettuce, the burger and cheese. Has a cute little bow, and I think it's a cat or chihuahua. Let's open the keychain thing. Okay, we're just gonna open this, and we're gonna put it on the baby bottle. We don't have to put it on the squishy. You don't have to, but if you want to, you can. There's a chain. Let's put this in here. Was this pink chain closed like this whenever we opened it? I don't know. Let's compare them two. Hamburger, and we got this cow. See them? They're almost the same height. It's just that the baby bottle is taller, but if we squish them down, you can do it. I finally got it. Let's put them back into their things. Wait. Here is it. They're the same. They're both the same. Let's put them back in. You know that the cow one was with pink. Close that up. Then we're going to put the chain on it. Pink and purple are my two favorite colors. I also like blue. Okay, let's get this together. This is kind of hard, but I know how to do it. There it is. Now we can tell which one is which. You can hold them because they're really, really strong. They look alike, but their chains are my favorite colors. If we get another one, part 3, I hope we get the blue chain, if there is a blue chain. That's it for today's video. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell, and comment down below, like, and share this video. Bye!